XRP just crossed a key price threshold, and on-chain activity followed with a burst of energy. The token had been in a holding pattern for weeks, with little movement in either price or user behavior. But a sudden price move above $1.54 triggered a noticeable shift in user behavior. For the first time in 2 months, the XRP Ledger saw a spike in active addresses, reaching 48,453 in a single day, the highest since late March. That number reflects unique wallets either sending or receiving XRP, a metric that often reflects renewed retail participation or a reaction to a sharp price change. The timing of the breakout and the surge in on-chain activity are aligned, but it's not yet clear which came first. Was the price move a result of increased user interest, or did the price rise draw more attention to the network? The data doesn't clarify that causality. Still, the jump in active addresses is notable. XRP has. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. A history where elevated address counts coincide with local price peaks, usually as speculative energy heats up. But this time, the activity wasn't just a repeat of old patterns. Santiment's update also highlighted a rise in network growth, suggesting new addresses are joining the XRP Ledger for the first time. That's a separate signal from existing holders simply moving funds. New addresses entering the network can point to broader adoption, but they can also reflect exchange deposits or automated wallet activity unrelated to real user growth. Without knowing the source of the 48,453 active addresses, the signal remains a surface-level indicator. It still shows that the $1.54 breakout triggered a measurable response from the network. The XRP Ledger had been quieter for weeks, with daily active addresses consistently lower than this new high. That makes the sudden spike stand out. It's not just a blip, it's a shift in user behavior that could have lasting effects. The next signal to watch is whether this activity continues. If the number of active addresses remains elevated, it could suggest a broader trend of renewed interest in XRP. If the count drops back down, it may indicate that the breakout was a short-term event driven by a single catalyst. Either way, the $1.54 level is now a focal point for traders and analysts. The XRP Ledger is showing signs of life after a period of dormancy, and the price movement appears to. Most people arrive after the move is obvious and the easy upside is gone. We focus on serious crypto education and high-quality signals before the crowd rushes in, so you can understand the setup earlier and move sooner. If you want that edge, visit the link below now. Be a key driver of that activity. But the question remains, is this a temporary reaction or the start of something more lasting? The stakes are clear. XRP's price and on-chain behavior are closely intertwined. A sustained increase in active addresses could signal stronger adoption, while a drop could hint at a return to inactivity. The network is at a crossroads, and the next few days may reveal whether this is a turning point or just a momentary flash of attention.